For this project, we're going to be working a lot with pattern, and all you'll need for this is a sharpener and a pencil to write your table and class on the back. Okay? So you'll choose a piece of brown paper for the background, and on the back, once again, write your name, your first letter of your table color, and your class. Should be the number of the grade that you're in and the first letter of your teacher's name. I did this in gel pen so that you could really clearly see it, but you're going to use pencil. After that, you don't need the pencil anymore. And this goes to the side. So you're going to choose 2 pieces of colored paper. We have yellow, orange, red, and green. And in the bins, you'll take one of the bins to your table. In the bin are tracers, leaf tracers, and pattern samples. Okay, so you choose 2 leaves, trace them on your paper with Sharpie marker, and then go right to your pattern, again with Sharpie marker. This is what I did here. I did my pattern outside the edges of the leaves so that when I cut, I get a nice edge, get a nice clean line there. So fill in your patterns. Remember, practice neatness, practice getting your patterns to look really clean and organized, and then cut each one out. If you have room, you could do a 3rd leaf on one of your papers. It's up to you. Cut them out, and I tried to cut out a little bit on the outside of this black, so this black line doesn't disappear. Kind of gives the leaves a nice border. You cut out your leaves and use glue stick, a little bit on the back, a little bit on the back, and glue them down onto your paper. And notice what I did. My leaves overlap a little. One sits on top of the other. Now you should do that, but if your leaves are big, you might want to do that. So if you can fit more than 2 leaves on your paper, you can. Some students have done 3, some students have done 4. But this is an easy project that you can do in one class period, and it's got a lot of wow factor.